Alright guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected. Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing review. This is an 8-in-1 jump starter with compressor. Let's see here. It definitely feels heavy duty. Let's go ahead and show you guys what you get in the package. Feels like there's a lot of stuff to unbox. Oh, I like how they have that separated. Little manual. Wow. Look at this monster. Oh my word. Okay, let's clear some room here, my friends. Okay, here is our air compressor line. Decent length. Air compressor nozzle. You have multiple nozzle ends. Little housing case for your nozzles. Another one. And those are just for inflating different things. You have a Type-C USB power cable. 12-volt cable. You have your alligator clamps. Copper teeth. I'm not sure the line is actually copper, the wire inside, but the teeth are copper. It's a little hard to tell. Alright, let's show you guys how this works. Press the power button and you can see the battery level right there. You can change it from PSI to bar. You have your pump. Press and hold to turn that on. Press and hold to turn on your light, which is mega bright. Multiple modes. Okay. If you're going to use this for jump starting, let's first see here. Alright, so here you have a USB port, a Type-C port, and your DC port. You can plug this in here. Plug this into your cigarette outlet. You can also charge your phone and tablet and devices with these ports as well. If you're going to be using it as a jump starter, very simple. You take your blue plug here, line it up, press it in. Now, under your hood, you would connect the black minus, which is negative, to your black minus of your vehicle battery, and then your red plus positive alligator clamps to the red plus positive terminal on your battery under your hood. Once you do that, it should have power. It should already be on, and then you go and jump start your vehicle. Let's go ahead and see the air compressor. Always remove this once you're done. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Nice little bracket for carrying. We're going to take our line here. We're just going to thread this on. Once you got a thread on, you can set whatever PSI you want. So let's say we're going to just set it to 79. It should automatically shut off once it hits that. Press and hold. Yep. And actually that was pretty quick response too. Yeah, that's actually really nice. A lot of times some of these can be delayed, so it hits that 79 and it's still a couple seconds delayed. This is actually right on point, so I do I am impressed with that. And what you would do is you would place, whatever nozzle end you need, just thread it in. If you're inflating something, push it in, push this down, and then press the pump button, and you're good to go. All right, guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected.